Hi everyone. So today's vlog is all about, see, you can see the mess around my house, see?
Yes.
Arush?
Yes.
So
I help you for the clean.
thank you so much. Okay, so that's what he's telling me. Yes, he does help me for cleaning. Today's vlog is all about weekly cleaning, what I do.
Yes.
So
Me
I
too
always
also.
want to, yes.
My challenge.
Yes. Okay, so I always wanted to do a vlog about how I clean my house. So after I started working, I don't get time to clean on a daily basis. So yes, so I always keep it for the weekend. And so I thought I'll just show you how I clean on weekends and what all I use. Yes.
I
So-
am doing the job.
Welcome to my this week's vlog about deep cleaning. So what I use for cleaning is this, you can see, DAC all-purpose cleaner. Actually this is very useful for even the furniture also.
I can see.
Yes. Okay, so I use this for my furniture and all other surface as well. And I use this, I've shown you this sponge cloth. So this is very useful, and this is for, I keep it separately for all my furniture. Yes, for kitchen purpose I use another color sponge cloth. Okay, now I'll show you how I'm going to clean everything. Just normal things which I use, but I just wanted to, it's been long since I've done
So
some
I put you.
vlog on home organizing, and also I thought this time I'll show you. First I'm going to start with my side table. So my son, he wants to help me out. So normally I do it fast, but today he wants to somehow help me out. Okay, enough. I'll spray it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Please.
Okay, just a little bit spray. Then I wipe it out.
What's it? One more. Three more. Yeah. I think you do. Yeah.
First, we take this side. We make this straight. Okay.
I don't know when to be that. Right.
Okay, so this is
You cannot do it.
okay. Can I get the spray, please?
I can do this. He's doing one lesson. Or about. Cannot do it.
Enough, Alice.
I don't know if mom is doing the cleaning job with it. Oh, cute little. So, who's gonna talk?
So next is this TV stand cleaning. Now I wash this clothes, sponge cloth, and I wipe down all these showpiece. Side table, my coffee table and TV stand, they are all clean. And now I'll come to my dining table. Okay, as usual these things are lying here and there. I wanted to protect my dining table. I used this transparent sheet. While cleaning, so I thought I'll just put, some clothes. I'll do some laundry, so it's much better.
Now,
Okay. And to protect sofa, I bought this cloth from IKEA. So like only monthly I wash this. All the cushion covers and this cloth I wash it every month. Every week I change this water fountain. Water. Yeah, it becomes dirty. So. So for more fresh smell, after everything I use this disinfectant spray. And entrance, I made a slight change here. Before it was a family photo which I hanged here. Now I put this. I got these hangings from Pan Emirates, and this is the change which I did it. Here where I have placed my shoe rack, everything, and this one also, yeah, it's a change which I implemented here. So altogether these are the changes which you can see. So finally this is how my clean visiting hall looks like. Okay, I bought these indoor plants to make my space more lively, and my coffee table, there's a slight change. Before it was potpourri, now I bought this teapot just to give it some change, and I replaced flowers with these bamboo plant, you can call it. Okay, so this is how my living space looks. It's all neat and clean now.